VCRs are still pretty common. You can find them around. This one was in non-working condition. Nothing was salvageable. It's basically just opened up for scrap. I hadn't done one up until this point, so it was good to find out what we could scrap out of the VCR. The entire scrap took about 40 minutes, maybe an hour if you want to count all the time all up. Opening it up, we find that there's mainly just steel components. It's not much digital chipboards or anything like that, especially with the older style VCR. About 10 minutes of my time was spent opening, separating the mechanical components from the PCB. Getting the mechanical components out was quite difficult. There's many screws laid over by steel components. Power board was fairly basic, probably very low value. Besides the clean pressing steel, there was a lot of other scrap steel, stainless, bits of iron. I think the head is made of exotic material. Sometimes it's titanium, but I haven't found a way to scrap that yet, or find someone willing to take those kind of exotic metals. Actually, the mechanical part of the VCR was the most difficult to scrap. It's got bits of plastic integrated into the steel frame. A lot of the steel frame has moving components, a belt drive, and they don't seem to have been engineered in a way that you can take them out. So it took a long time to scrap that mechanical component, and it didn't yield very much in terms of scrap steel. For about an hour's worth of work, I was able to scrap approximately 1.5 kilos of scrap steel. and you get a power cord and some low-grade board. Although it's not the worst, in terms of effort, it's quite hard, harder than a microwave.